For months, astronomers believed 3I, ATLAS would be nothing more than a spectacular flyby, an interstellar traveler briefly passing through our solar system before disappearing forever into the darkness between the stars. But the universe rarely follows simple expectations. With every new observation, scientists are discovering that this extraordinary visitor is even more fascinating than they first imagined. First detected on July 1, 3I, ATLAS was immediately recognized as an object arriving from beyond our solar system. Its extraordinary speed and strongly hyperbolic trajectory confirmed that it is not gravitationally bound to the Sun. Instead, it has likely spent millions, or perhaps even billions, of years wandering through interstellar space before entering our cosmic neighborhood. Unlike many comets that become increasingly unstable as they approach the Sun, 3I, ATLAS has remained remarkably resilient. Its glowing coma continues to expand as solar heat vaporizes frozen ices beneath its surface, releasing enormous streams of dust and gas that extend thousands of kilometers into space. Spectroscopic observations have identified carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other volatile compounds commonly associated with cometary activity, providing strong evidence that this is a natural icy body formed around another star. Yet despite these discoveries, several important mysteries remain. Astronomers have detected subtle variations in the comet's brightness that are more complex than expected. These changes could result from its irregular shape, its rotation, or powerful jets of escaping gas that periodically alter the amount of sunlight it reflects. Researchers are continuing to analyze new observations to determine exactly which processes are responsible. Refining the object's orbit has also become an ongoing scientific effort. Although current calculations show no danger whatsoever to Earth, Mars, or any other planet, astronomers continue to improve their measurements because even tiny uncertainties become significant when tracking an object traveling through the solar system at interstellar speeds. Every new observation helps produce a more precise prediction of its future path. As expected, such a rare visitor has inspired widespread speculation. Some have suggested unconventional explanations for its origin or behavior, ranging from unknown physics to artificial technology. However, no credible evidence supports these claims. The overwhelming scientific consensus remains clear. 3I, Atlas is a natural interstellar comet. Its significance does not come from extraordinary speculation but from the extraordinary scientific opportunity it provides. For only the third time in history, humanity has the chance to study an object that formed around another star before entering our own solar system. Every new image and every spectrum collected by powerful observatories revealed tiny chemical clues preserved within ancient ice and dust. These materials were created in a completely different planetary system long before our own solar system formed. By studying them, scientists hope to better understand how planets form around distant stars and whether the ingredients necessary for life are common throughout the galaxy. As 3I, ATLAS continues its journey through the inner solar system, telescopes across Earth and in space will remain focused on its path. Not because it poses any known threat, but because opportunities like this are extraordinarily rare. Every observation brings new insights into worlds we cannot visit and planetary systems we may never directly explore. Perhaps the greatest mystery is not whether this visitor is artificial. The greatest mystery is how much we still have to learn about our galaxy. Somewhere among the countless stars that gave birth to 3I, Atlas, millions of other interstellar wanderers may already be crossing the vast darkness between stellar systems. Most will pass unnoticed. But every so often, one enters our cosmic neighborhood, offering humanity another brief chance to study a messenger from another star, carrying secrets that have traveled across the galaxy for billions.